Hi, this is Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I just want to share with you these story wheels from Little Red Riding Hood. I made another video about story wheels for the Three Billy Goats Gruff, and there's some teaching tips about how you can incorporate more language practice in making these and the kind of things that you can do with them afterwards. So the link to that I've put up there somewhere, I think. And in the description below. But I just want to show you that I've done these ones double-sided. So you've got, like, on one side, you've basically got the different stages of the story. I'm going backwards, aren't I? It's hard to tell. And on the other side, I've used the cut and paste versions of the text. I've also got wheels that you can print with the text on, and you can turn those as well. So this kind of makes it a bit interesting for kind of literacy activities too. So students can, tell them to find a number. They can find the number, tell you what the phrase is associated with that story. So like this one for this story is like, the big bad wolf is in Grandma's bed. Be careful, careful, Red Riding Hood, okay? And so they would find that and then get them to find the text on the other side. You could also do it the other way around, like tell them the number for the text. So there's number 8. So they find 8 and then read it, or you read it, or get one of the other students to read it out, and then they would have to try and race to find what that text is. Okay, the picture is even. I'll show you how we've made them, so it's really quick and simple, and like I say, if you want to find some more teaching tips, check out the Three Billy Goats Gruff video. Alright, thank you.